What's all this rubbish about smokers costing the NHS? We're funding it. It wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the smokers. Smoking people are caring people. So why are they treated like pariahs? Smokers are the largest philanthropic group in the land. Fact. Statistically, smokers in Britain are the poorest group in society, and yet they contribute the most. Over 70% of all two-parent households on income support buy cigarettes, spending about 15% of their disposable income on tobacco, all in an effort to improve the health of the nation by supporting the NHS. And yet, they are despised. Rejected. Smokers pay £19,000 a minute to the Exchequer. Or to put it another way, for every pound we cost the NHS, we give £3.60. Smokers are the true Christians, taking Christ's words literally. How many vicars do that? We notice the Archbishop of Canterbury doesn't smoke, and yet he calls himself a Christian. I smoke my pipe and worship God. Those are the words of Johann Sebastian Bach. Edifying Thoughts of a Pipe Smoker, 1725. Now, smoking and housing. The housing problem is being significantly exacerbated by intolerant anti-smokers who think they have more human rights than those simple folk who just try and enjoy smoke. This leads directly to marriage breakup and shed construction. See figures for shed construction 1999 to 2004, www.shedfigures.com. More divorce and separation means more demand for single occupancy. So the house prices go up. So young people can't afford a place to live. Thanks, Mr. Non-Smoker. What has happened since smoking became so taboo? Global warming, that's all. Smokers are being coerced against their genuine environmental principles to contribute to global warming by being forced outside to smoke next to patio heaters. The proliferation of patio heaters are contributing massively to the greenhouse effect as they roar away, burning fossil fuels, consuming valuable oxygen and sending carbon dioxide straight into the upper atmosphere. This has been a disaster. What does this mean? Only the melting of the polar ice caps, higher sea levels, coastal flooding and erosion. That's all. And deforestation, of course, through acid rain caused by excess burning of fossil fuels. And some scientists argue further agitation of continental tectonic plates. As a result of the cynical drive to push smokers into the open air, there are now fewer trees and more patio heaters in the world than ever before. How can non-smokers bear to have this on their conscience?
Point well made there. Several points.